Hey, what's up guys, this is about another video, and then we'll be showing you guys the SIM tray, the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, and how you can insert your SIM cards in it, and also testing out the OTG of this phone right here. So basically you're going to use your SIM tool, and on the left side of the phone, so you're going to find your SIM tray right here. Pop that in, your SIM tray is released, and then you just pull it out. Easy. As you notice right here, your SD card is supposed to be on the top and your SIM cards at the bottom right there, and that's how you're going to put it back in. Right, so as you can tell, it has dual SIMs and an SD card at top, so you can have two SIM cards and an SD card. Very nice design, yeah. Uses less space and still gives you the same functionality. This SIM tray here, very nice from Tecno. Right, so how do you insert your SIM card? So your SIM 1 is going to go to this first part, as you can tell here. Then your SIM 2, this other part. As you can see, they're numbered. I don't know if you guys can tell and see that. I don't know if my camera will be able to focus in well enough. Yeah, but their numbers right there, you can be able to see them. So you just place in your SIM cards. Simple and easy like that. So that's where your first SIM card goes. Then you put your other one in the same way here. So the first one goes up like this, and then the other one will face down like that. But I don't have a SIM card and a second SIM card with me right here. So that's basically how you place them in. That's where your SIM card first one goes, and then the second one is going to go in the other way around like that, as you can see, if you're wondering. Then you can have your SD card at the top, and that will be that. So that's basically how you put in the SIM card right there. Then you put in your SD card at the top and insert it back in. So you're seeing your SD card is always at the top, and then you just put it in without any issues right there. And that's how you simply put the SIM card into the Tecno Camon 19. Right, the other thing I want to test is the OTG on the phone. Right, so all you need is an adapter. OTG adapter, this is Type C OTG adapter, and just a flash disk right here. I'll be testing it out, so you can send that in there. Right, and then you go and enable, go to settings and enable OTG. So this motor is on right there. You've enabled it, so it should be connected without issues. Yeah, just click on that and you can access the drive. Yeah, that's basically how you do that. That's how you access your files. Right. So let's go ahead and also try. So to remove it, you just eject like that. But yeah. Now the last thing I want to try out is this HDD right here. I don't think it will be able to. I don't think it has enough power output, but let's just try our luck. The Camon 19. Well, I'll tell you what. That drive is running. I'm surprised actually. I didn't expect it to run it, but it's running it. No issues by the way. You see, it's saying issue with the storage drive, so probably it doesn't support the format in which it is formatted, which is exFAT. Yeah, exFAT is, I think it supports only FAT32, but otherwise it can read the hard disk, as you guys have seen. So it's just about, it's just about the formatting. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.